How to fix Claude AI stuck on verification code 2026 guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you are trying to log into Claude AI, but you are completely stuck on the verification code screen. Maybe the code is not arriving, it expired, or the page is just frozen. Really frustrating when you just want to get in. Let me walk you through all the fixes right now. Let's get into it. Why this happens. The verification code issue usually comes down to a few common causes. The email or SMS is delayed or went to spam. The code expired before you entered it. There is a browser issue preventing the page from loading properly. Or there is a temporary glitch on Anthropic's end. All of these are fixable, so let's go through them one by one. Fix 1. Check your spam folder. This is the most common reason people never see their verification code. Open your email inbox and go straight to your spam or junk folder. Verification emails from Anthropic occasionally get filtered out by email providers. If you find it there, mark it as not spam and use the code inside. Also, make sure you are checking the correct email address that is linked to your Claude account. Fix 2. Resend the code. If the code never arrived or it expired before you could use it, look for a resend code button on the verification screen. Click it and wait a full minute before checking your inbox again. Email delivery can sometimes take a little longer than expected, especially during peak times. Do not keep clicking resend repeatedly, as this can cause further delays. Send it once and give it time to arrive. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause the verification page to freeze or fail to submit your code properly even when you enter the right one. Make sure your connection is stable before trying again. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and reload the verification page fresh before entering your code. Fix 4. Try a different browser or clear cache. Browser issues are a very common cause of verification pages getting stuck. If you are using Chrome, try switching to Firefox or Edge and attempt the login again from scratch. If you want to stay on the same browser, clear your cache and cookies first by going into your browser settings and clearing browsing data, then reload the Claude login page and request a fresh code. Fix 5. Use Google or Apple sign-in. If the email verification keeps failing, the quickest workaround is to skip it entirely by using Google or Apple sign-in instead. On the Claude login page, look for the Continue with Google or Continue with Apple option. These methods authenticate through your existing account and completely bypass the email verification code step, so you get straight into Claude without needing a code at all. Fix 6. Contact Anthropic support. If you have tried everything and you are still stuck on the verification screen, reach out to Anthropic support directly at support@anthropic.com. Explain that you are unable to receive or use the verification code. Include the email address on your account, and their team can manually verify your account and restore your access. And those are all the fixes for Claude AI stuck on the verification code in 2026. Check your spam folder, resend the code, check your connection, try a different browser, use Google or Apple sign-in, and contact support if needed. One of those will get you in. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.